Good day, fellow farmers. I am Jochie Briedenan from Hartbeesloop ons Maras and would like to chat to you about our upcoming Farmers' Day on Saturday, the 28th of March. The day is all about making a good profit with cattle farming. Yes, we will spend some time talking about the science and also the latest technology in cattle farming, but the emphasis will be on what really counts on the farm. We do not want to only tell you, we will show you what drives profit margins on the farm year after year. We will spend little time in the lecture hall and lots of time in the kraal assessing and discussing animals. You will see the good, the bad, and the definite no-goes. Hartbeesloop has a long history of successful and profitable cattle farming, and also a proud tradition of sharing knowledge with fellow farmers. Make an effort to attend, you will definitely leave wiser.